Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about chickpeas, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on ways to incorporate chickpeas into your foods. First of all, we do know that chickpeas are a staple ingredient in hummus, so you can make an easy hummus by blending chickpeas with some olive oil, some fresh garlic, tahini, and lemon juice. Add the amounts to your liking and you've got a hummus that you're going to enjoy. You can also add a nutritional punch to your salads by just sprinkling some chickpeas on the salad, incorporating some in there. It'll add protein and fiber and a lot of nutritional value as well. You can make an easy pasta dish by topping some cooked pasta with chickpeas, a little olive oil, a little crumbled feta cheese if you want to add that, and some fresh oregano. How about adding some chickpeas to vegetable soup? That will add some fiber and some protein and nutritional value and some extra flavor as well. You could also add some chickpeas to a roasted veggie and quinoa salad, or maybe another type of grain in your salad. You could also add chickpeas to your favorite vegetable stir fry, and when you do that, put it over a bed of rice or another grain that you like, quinoa or something like that, and you've got a complete meal. Well, I do hope these tips help you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.